great wake-up song, right? We're back on the Morning Brew, and we're dancing to the morning Brew music here. It's the best, like, wake-up song, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And Stephanie, you brought on Dr. Zellisha Quam, and you are a dentist.
I am.
And you are going to be doing something very cool at the Gathering of Nations.
I will be.
So you're going to be screening folks with the help of Colgate in, like, what, a giant fancy RV?
Yeah, so we are going to be screening at the Gathering of Nations. As most everyone knows, Gathering of Nations is the largest powwow in the country, and so it brings in a lot of American Indians to Albuquerque. So we will be screening. We're partnering with Colgate. They're going to be bringing a van, a mobile van. It's going to have dental units inside. And
when you say dental units, is that like just a traditional
like a chair,
dental chair?
like a dental
and
chair.
All the tools you need as a dentist?
Well, yeah. So the kids will be coming in. We'll be looking inside their mouths, looking for cavities, any abscesses. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing.
And it's free to anybody who's part of the powwow?
Right. We're screening children 12 and under.
Okay.
12
Cool,
and
for
under.
free.
For free. Right.
That's amazing.
Right.
So how did this all come together this year?
Well, I'm working with the Society of American Indian Dentists. We are a nonprofit organization comprised of 30+ members, and our goal is to try to recruit and retain American Indian students in the field of dentistry. So we're working with them, plus, of course, Gatherings and Colgate. We're just kind of collaborating all together, just because oral health is an essential component to children's health.
And it's, if you start young, those are like they're habits you carry through your whole life,
it makes
too,
a significant difference, right? You want to start early, as young as when the first tooth erupts. You want to start taking them to the dentist so that they can build a healthy relationship with not only with the dentist provider, but also with their parents in terms of oral health.
Very cool. Very cool. So how did Colgate get involved this year?
Well, Colgate they have a good relationship with SED, which is the Society of American Indian Dentists. So they're always constantly looking for places to do screening. So they travel across country doing different types of screening. So we thought this would be an excellent opportunity for them to come to the powwow.
Very cool. And you're from Zuni. You're local.
Right.
You didn't come from nearly as far away as some of the other folks who are from Australia.
Right. Right.
How did you become a dentist yourself? Because you're from Zuni.
I'm from Zuni. Well, I knew early on that I wanted to become a health professional. I wasn't sure exactly where until I met Dr. Darlene Sorrell. She's the SED president. So she kind of motivated me and directed me which direction I had to go. And, you know, there's certainly a lot of barriers and obstacles I had to overcome. But
And it's not easy to get through dental school.
Right. It took a long time.
Is it like an 8-year, 12-year, 15-year program?
It's a 4-year program, but I also did undergrad and I did a residency. So a total of 9 years.
Oh, man.
So it takes a while.
Yeah, no doubt. No
It's
doubt.
definitely possible and doable.
Right?
It's awesome. Right.
And where are you practicing now?
Well, I'm here in town. I work for Indian Health Service currently.
And you help kids now? Are you like a pediatric dentist now, or just a regular?
I'm a general dentist.
Okay.
So essentially I get everyone from 0 on up to whatever age that comes in.
As long as they got teeth, you'll help them?
Right.
That's
Right.
cool.
Right.
That's cool. And Stephanie, this is one of the many programs going on that you guys are working with at the Gathering this year, right?
Right. Gathering, I can't tell you, has been a great partner this year in working to make this happen. They certainly have a lot going on with this being one of the biggest events of the area. And so we're just really happy for this collaboration with Gathering of Nations and them giving us the opportunity to really provide this valuable resource and help our kids. You know, with kids, the teeth are so important in terms of health and how they chew their food and their overall self-esteem. And when you have good, healthy teeth to begin with, it helps so much as they grow older.
Right, right. So how many kids are you hoping to screen over the weekend?
We've
3 days.
We've never done this before, so we don't know what to expect. But we want to do at least 300. So
Okay.
hopefully we can overcome that number and do more than 300.
Right. Is this going to be like a long screen? Is it the kind of thing that takes like an hour, or is it the kind of thing that's like a 5-minute come in, get your teeth checked out
Screening
and bounce?
takes less than a minute. It will
really?
not take that long.
Oh,
And,
good.
Yeah, so we encourage all the parents to bring their kids by the dental van if you're at the gatherings this year.
Very cool, because there's going to be 25,000 people at the
Right.
Gathering this year. You guys could have a long line.
Right, hopefully.
Yeah, I think the other key component to remember is that they'll do the screenings and they'll also have a list of resources on where to direct these children to receive services in their own local communities. So if they have further issues that need to be addressed, they will make sure that they have a number to call to get further care.
You can make referrals and,
Right,
and line
right.
kids up with their local provider, IHS or whoever it may be, right?
Right, right.
Very cool.
Yep.
Very cool. So tonight's the big ambassador event at
Yes.
Sandia Casino at the new
Event center.
The new event center.
Correct.
And
Starts
then
at 6.
Starts at 6, and then you're going to be at
the Gathering of
Nations. What time
next
do you
week.
guys start?
So it's the 29th and 30th. We're going to be there every day from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.
From noon to 6.
Right.
That makes it super easy. Look for the Colgate van and Dr. Quam, and we'll look for you in just a couple of seconds in the Morning Brew.